Hi everybody. Yesterday we had a lot of problems with people not able to join the Zoom session and Blackboard, and then later I also had technical problems with the camera. I hope this camera will still work. I'll try this tomorrow, but for now I'm posting this video to help clear up a couple questions in class and talk about passive convention again for people who were not able to be there. So if you are given any circuit, and this is just an example of a resistor in the middle of a circuit, or even if the resistor is just in air, and as it is here. So in principle this is an open resistor, but I say, can you label this with voltage or with a current, given that I am labeling it with a voltage drop? And this one I'm gonna label it with current. So first of all, if you have a straight line, this is a current. So I know this is the current going that way. And if I have a curved line, this is the voltage drop. And the current flows, and there is no plus, there is no minus, but in the voltage there is. And this means that the multimeter will be here on this side, and I'm going to call that the plus side on the arrow, and the tail is the minus side, usually the ground. So your multimeter at home, you're going to get the minus or the black cable put on this side and the red cable on this side, and it possibly will show a voltage drop. I highly recommend you do this with the battery, for example, with a 9-volt battery, 1.5 volt battery, 3-volt battery. So, and take a look at the voltage there. So this is how we indicate voltage drop. So in an exam or homework assignment, if I say now draw the current, and you do want all the points for that, the current on this resistor here is going this way. So the flow of the current is always in the opposite direction of the voltage if you are given the opportunity to do that, right? So if you are given the option, you have to select this way. Same way, if I give you the current and I'm asking you draw the voltage drop for this current on this resistor, watch, the voltage drop is this way. And then obviously the circuit I am drawing here with the voltage from the battery the other way. So if I were just measuring the voltage on this battery here, let's say it's a 2-volt battery, I wanted to put the multimeter this way. Let me redraw that circuit. So watch, if I do this, and that's a 2-volt battery, I measure 2 volts. But now I'm telling you, hey, I want to measure this green voltage here, voltage drop here, this way. What happens is your multimeter was, the red was here, which is 2 volts above the black, and now I'm going to swap the two. So the black, instead of this way, it's going to be here, and the red will be here. So this voltage, this green voltage here, the multimeter will show minus 2 volts. Having said that, again, if I asked you to write the current for this guy, you have to write it this way. The current for this guy, you have to draw it this way. This is just the convention we're going to use for 285. It's the same convention in many books. Second thing that I talked about last class was opens and shorts. I'm going to make a second video for that.